Hi HBNR families, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you the best and the easiest way to make this zippered cargo pocket professionally. So let's get started. So I'm going to cut the pattern of the pocket. So I use 6.5 inches for my pocket length and also 6 inches for the wideness. So I'm going to place the pattern on the fabric just like this, and I'm going to cut it out, but I will leave a bit sewing allowance just like this. So I'm not going to cut the exact pattern, I will leave a bit sewing allowance like 0.2 inch. So as you can see, I leave sewing allowance throughout the edges, and after that, this is my side attachment, which is 1.5 inches height, and also this is my zip. So now I'm going to place my side attachment on the zip, and I will sew it together like this. So this is how it will looks like after that. And also I'm going to sew the zip opening together like this, just to hold it together. Now the next thing for me is to notch the center of the zip. So I'm going to fold it together and I'm going to notch the center of the zip like this. So after that, I will also notch the pocket center. I will also do that on the pattern paper. So I'm going to place the notch area together, and I will mark my sewing allowance here. So I'll place the notch area together like this, and I will match that sewing allowance. I will also mark it on the zip. After marking it on the zip, I will turn it down like this, and I'm going to start my sewing from that place. So I will also turn it like this, and I will make sure that the center I notch is the same thing on the pocket size. So it a must they kiss together like this. So I will also turn it down like this. So after I'm done with the stitching, this is how it will looks like. As you can see that it looks perfect. So now I'm going to place the pattern on the short, on the cloth I want to sew it on. I place it like this. And I'm going to chalk it. I'm going to roll a straight line just to make pattern on the short. So the reason I notch the pattern is for me to know the center of the pattern. Just like this. I do it all round. So I'm done, and I'm going to place the pockets on the pattern. So remember, I'm going to place the notch center on the zip. I will place it on the center I notch on the pattern that I marked, like this, and I will start my sewing like this by following the line I wrote. So when I'm done with my stitching, the pocket is already sewed, and this is how it looks like.